Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about two special triangles, equilateral and isosceles triangle. So we start with equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Now suppose you have a triangle ABC and measurement of side AB is 6 cm, measurement of side BC is 6 cm. Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about two special triangles, equilateral and isosceles. So start with equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Now suppose that we have a triangle ABC. In this triangle, measurement of AB is 6 cm, measurement of BC is 6 cm, and measurement of AC is also 6 cm. So now you can see here that measurement of all the three sides of this triangle are equal. So this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Now question is, what properties an equilateral triangle holds? So first property is that all sides of this triangle have same length. Next property is each angle of 60 degree measurement. Move to our next topic. Our next topic is isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are of equal length, and this triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Now suppose that we have a triangle ABC. In this triangle, measurement of side AB and measurement of side BC is 3 cm, and suppose measurement of side BC is 4 cm. Now you can see here that measurement of side AB and AC are equal, and measurement of side BC is differ from this both side AB and AC. So this triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Now in an isosceles triangle, two sides have same length, and next property is base angle of opposite side of this opposite to the equal side are equal. Now move to another property of triangle. So this property is based upon the sides of a triangle. If you have a triangle and if you sum two of its sides, so their sum is always greater than that of its third side. So according to this property, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now we are going to start exercise 6.4, and first question is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? And first part is 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. Now for solving this question, first we sum two of the sides of triangle, and if this sum is greater than the third side, then this triangle is possible, otherwise it will not possible. So start with first question. Our first question is 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So first we will add two of its side, and then we compare sum of two side with the third side. So first we are going to add 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. If we add 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, we have 5 centimeter as the sum of these two sides, and if we compare the sum of these two sides with third side, we conclude that both the measurements are equal. Now move to second portion. First we add 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now we are going to add 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. If we add 3 centimeter side to the 5 centimeter side, and we obtain 8 centimeter. Now compare this sum to the leftover side, and it is greater than the third side. In this way we again sum two sides of the triangle and then we compare it with the third side. Here we conclude that sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, but in the first portion sum of the two sides is equal to the third side, so this triangle is not possible. Now move to second part of this question. In this part, measurements are given 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now we suppose that we have a triangle whose measurement are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So first we will add two of its side, and then we compare sum of two side with the third side. So first we are going to add side AB and AC. Means we add 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter and their sum is 9 centimeter. This sum is greater than third side. In this way we again add two of its side, another two of its side, and another sides are BC and AC. So we have 6 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. This sum is 13 and it is also greater than the third side. Again we add two of the side of this triangle. So now we are going to add AB and BC and their sum is 10 centimeter, which is greater than third side AC. So here you can conclude that sum of two side, in each situation sum of two side is greater than third side. So this triangle is possible. In this way you can solve remaining parts of this question. Now move to our second question. Our second question is, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is part 1, OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Part 2, OQ plus OR greater than QR. Part 3, OR plus OP greater than RP. For solving second question, first we construct a triangle PQR and in its interior we take a point O and then we join OP, OQ and OR. Now first we move to our first part, and our first part is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So these three sides are the parts of triangle OPQ, and in every triangle sum of two sides is always greater than its third side. So here we can write yes. Our next part is OQ plus OR is greater than QR. First we check where are OQ, OR and QR in this diagram. So OQ, OR and QR are the sides of triangle QOR, and in any triangle sum of two sides is always greater than third side. So its answer is also yes. Now move to our third part. In third part, OR plus OP is greater than RP. Here we have OR, OP and RP. These sides are the sides of triangle POR. So here we can conclude that sum of two sides is greater than third side. So its answer is also yes. Now move to our third question. Our third question is, AM is a median of triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Consider the sides of the triangle ABM and triangle AMC. So here is the triangle ABC and AM is the median of this triangle. Now we have to prove that AB plus BC plus AC is greater than twice of AM. For this, first we take triangle AMB. This is our first triangle and triangle AMC is the second triangle. So first we take first triangle AMB. In any triangle, sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. So we will use this property here, and we are going to take two of its side other than median together. So AB plus BM is greater than AM. It is our equation number 1. Now move to our second triangle, triangle AMC. In triangle AMC, we add side AC and CM, means sides other than median. Sum of the sides other than median is greater than the side AM. It is our equation number 2. After that, we are going to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. We always add left part of the equation to the left part of the first equation to the left part of the second equation, and right part of the first equation to the right part of the second equation, and there is no change in the symbol that we used in between. So first we write left part of the equation number 1, and it is AB plus BM. Then we add left part of the equation number 2 in it, and we have AC plus CM, and this value is greater than AM plus AM. Now take BM and CM together. BM plus CM is